Howdy, how y'all doing? This is George the Fearless Rambler. Hope you guys had a wonderful day. Today we're here at Knott's Farm going to the Birdcage Theater to do a little workshop on how to draw Snoopy. If you're interested in that little journey, come join us. Staying at the Knott's Farm Hotel, getting up early to do the rope drop, waiting in many lines, riding coasters, eating food, and just rushing from ride to ride. A wild day at the park like this requires time out, a rest period. To let you know, a fun way to take a rest is to sit down in a cool theater, learning how to draw a cartoon character. You know, one that's famous in these parts. So we stop in the show, and we're going to draw a caricature. And today it says, today we are drawing Snoopy. Does that sound like fun, Crystal?
They took away my eraser. Oh, wait, that's the front of the curtain.
Yeah.
They took away my eraser.
You can't do an eraser.
They got rid of it. I can't erase. That's not fair.
Don't make a mistake.
It's not fair.
All right. Are you guys ready to start? Okay, pencils up. And let's draw. Now, Snoopy, he's a lovely dog, isn't he? I love Snoopy. He's so much fun.
I can kiss my dog. I have dog
Same as the other characters, but a little different. He runs a little differently. But he does start with the same basic circle. So we're going to start with drawing a circle.
As we learn how to draw Snoopy, Snoopy is a character from the Peanut strip created by Charles Schulz. And for a little bit of trivia, he was one of the 4 first original characters, along with Charlie Brown, Patty shown here, and Shermie, who hasn't been in a Peanut strip since 1969. Knott's Berry Farm was the first theme park to license Schulz Peanuts, such as Charlie Brown and of course Snoopy, and the rest of the gang in 1983. Knott's Camp Snoopy, and now known as just Camp Snoopy, was introduced to the park in 1983. This was the first amusement park with a section dedicated for children under 12. Way to go, Knott's. Look at this, a free souvenir. This has been a kind of a nice activity, at least relaxing enough that we got off our feet before we headed off to the next roller coaster. This was completely complimentary. I would like to take some time to thank each of the subscribers that have joined my little team here. And for those that have not subscribed, please do so. It's kind of a fun thing to do to hit that little subscribe button and that notification bell. It's ready to ding. Well, look at that. Snoopy's dancing the day away in excitement for our well-done representation cartoon of him. He told me personally to keep that piece of junk, drawing. This is George the Fearless Rambler, dancing the night away, signing off.